Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Sharp Potato. And today we're playing Destiny again, okay? Because we found out a little chill area we can play on. Look here, we can play music. Come on, I need to dance to this crap. I'm not missing out on the fun. I'm just waiting for people to, you know, I invited them for dinner, and people don't seem to sit down with me. But I guess I'll enjoy the lemonade myself. Thank you for the music. Okay. In this episode, we're just gonna, have fun in the tower. We're not gonna do any stuff. We're just gonna chill. Just take a break, okay? Because we have been fighting for really long, so we just chill. Let's go to. Well, we found a little chill area, but nobody seems to come over very often. So we're just gonna have to see what people do in the tower. Okay? So we're just gonna ask some random people. Hey guys, how's it going? Hey Titan, what do you usually do in the tower? Okay, yep, fascinating. Oh, you like to sit down? Okay. Yeah, I like to sit down in the cold water too. Okay, so Titan definitely answered me. But just because he's not on speakers doesn't mean anything. Okay. Oh. Okay. I almost got off. Well, we're just gonna. People seem to lay down here and not often, so I'm just gonna lay down. It's me, Bree. Okay, I'm gonna go Bree. Go for Bree. Oh, hey, that's my ball. That's my ball. You stole my ball from me. You stole it. No, you're a thief. You're a thief. You're a gigantic thief. Come back here. We're not done yet, ball. We're not done yet. Why did you let that guy take you? Oh, yeah. But you're not gonna get the ball later. Yeah. No, how dare you? No, how dare you? Come on. Come on, ball. You're coming with me. Not him. Not him. Not him. You're not coming with him. No. You're coming with me. How dare you? Oh, yeah. Come with me, baby. No, come with me. Come. No. Yes. Her name is John Cena. Okay. I named her. Yeah, I named her. This is what you usually do often, huh? You just play with this ball? My ball. You stole my ball, you thief. Come down. You're coming with me. Come with Daddy. No, how dare you? You don't just do that. No. You don't just do that. No, you don't. You don't just do that. Get back here. Come on. Where's the ball? No, where's the ball? No, how dare you? Come on. No. Come with me. No. How dare you? Where is it? Where's the ball? How dare you? You always find the ball. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Go, boy. Go. Yeah. I have the ball now. No. My ball. My ball. No. It's my ball. Oh, now there's 3 people taking the ball. Great. It's my ball. Okay, thank you, Zach, for not taking my ball. It's my ball. Not yours. It's my ball. You don't belong here. Where's the ball? Oh, it just went up there. No. It's gonna go down. No. No. How dare you? You don't deserve the ball now. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve the ball. Come on, ball. How did you jump so high? Hey, no, Titan, don't you dare. Come on. No. It's my ball. You took it, you thief. You thief. I say a thief. A thief. Come on. No, come in my side. Come in my side. No. Hmm? Oh no. Thief. My ball. No, how dare you? Oh wow. That's very high up. Yeah, I didn't expect it. Where's the ball? It's my ball. Where's the ball? There you are. Yeah. I won the round. I won. No one else won. I won. I won getting my ball back. Oh, I love you. I love you, ball. I wish you were my friend forever. I really do love you. I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy the moment with my ball. Thank you, ball. Darren Dash will never get you again. Not again. You got a stupid soccer ball. Well, great. I got my freaking bowling ball. That's what I got. The one that floats. Your soccer ball ain't gonna do anything to my big bowling ball. I use it for bowling. They knock down all the pins. Hey! How dare you! Stupid soccer ball. That's my ball. It's my ball. Come back. Hurry up. Come on. No. My ball. My ball. My ball. That's what you get. My ball now. Nope. Nope. You know where you're getting the ball. You wanna get the ball from me? Too bad, you ain't gonna get it. Okay, Darren Dash will never get you. He's AFK at the moment. Yeah. Looks like I won the round. Again. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, because this was a pretty weird, things in the tower. This is usually what we do in the towers. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next. See you all of you, every single one of you, next time. Okay? See you.